Hello guys, today I just want to share with you my editing setup. So I recently bought a 43-inch TCL 4K TV. So far I like it very much, especially for editing. I will take for example, I use DaVinci Resolve 17. I will show you my Powersman setup. So this is my desk, simple plank of wood to make it larger, nothing special. I have my printer there, water bottle. So TCL TV normally come with the side feet at the extremities of the TV. My desk won't allow this large, or I will have to put the TV in a very angled position and uncomfortable. So I will show you what I have done. So you see, normally the TV stand will be coming here in this hole, but it's way too large for my desk. So what I have done, I of course don't necessarily recommend, but for me so far it works good. So you see there is all these little ventilation holes there and there. I simply screwed with the stock screws that come with the TV right in the holes, and this works pretty good. Just don't over tight because otherwise you will strip the plastic, so just make it snug. This is what I have done. A lot more space. I have that. A simple plank here that acts like a shim, so the TV will have just the right angle towards me. Sorry about the sun. I will show you a comparison of the two. This is my 30-inch 1440p, 144 Hz. This is for gaming. That was the screen that I was using before. Here I have my timeline, Ctrl Z, I have expand. See there, I have multiple layers, audio, subtitles, and the most things I add, the most little my screen above become. What I do here, I will transfer and check all this space, and I can hit Shift Z. Look at all the space that I've gained, and from the side too. My timeline have way more space to work with. So far I like it very much. All this place I can zoom in, zoom out. And when I have 4K content, I can see, I don't have to zoom to see the details. So I like the 4K resolution a lot. Fusion page, a lot of space to work compared to here. This is the Fairlight tab. So you see how small the image is. Before, after. Before, after. A lot space to work with. That's why I love it. The color accuracy is not that bad. I have color calibrate the TV, so it's more accurate. Let's say you have 4 tabs open, 100% zoom. You can still see enough on the screen to use it. So you can have, for example, one searching page, YouTube, Google Map, a lot of things, and still use the 32-inch screen for editing. So you can use your 43 TV. It's like having 4 times 21-inch 1080p monitors. For a size comparison, this is my arm and the 32-inch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to do a quick share with you. This is my Powersman editing setup. If you like it, give a like, leave a comment. If you dislike, leave a comment. Thank you for watching, see you at the next video.